Y'all. Y'all. Y'all, I just got me some new hair and it's bomb.com. You feel me? So let me tell you. So I got two 22s, a 20, and an 18-inch closure. Yes, this is a closure. It's a 6x6 closure. So it goes from out here to here. Like, it's amazing. It goes like all the way back here. So it's 6x6, so 6, 6. Okay? In HD, y'all. She also makes wigs, but I decided I want to make my own wig, right? And so I made this wig with her hair, okay? It's full all the way to the bottom. Let's see if you can see it. See what I'm saying? And it has all this body, right? It's full just like I want it. Like, it don't look wiggy. It's super thick for no reason, and it sure the heck is not thin. Gorgeous, y'all. This is beautiful hair for the fall. Beautiful. I don't know if it was just a deal was going on, or she just gave me a little special hookup. I'm not sure, but she also tint the lace for me. So yeah, I made this wig yesterday. So I just bought a wig cap. I sewed the widths down, starting with the 22 up down to the 18-inch. And I should have made a video about that, but my bad, y'all. I'm gonna buy some more hair from her and make a video. But let me tell you, bruh, her hair is thick, beautiful, okay? Look at this. Look how it's laying. Look at this frontal. I have never had a frontal to lay this flat in my entire life. Look, y'all. I'm not kidding. Even if I bend my head down like this, it looks natural. Bend it back, it looks natural. Look at it, girl. This is amazing. Beautiful hair. Like, I don't have to walk around feeling like I have a goddamn hat on my head. Like, I can turn my head around, feel confident, bend down, bend up, don't have to worry about anything. Just know I'm looking good the whole entire time. Like, I feel free. Like, I feel like this is my hair. Like, look at it. This is my hair. What wig? What wig, boo? What wig? I'm trying to figure out. What wig? What wig, honey? This hair is beautiful. Look at it, y'all. Let me see. I'm trying to get y'all to see how gorgeous it is. Y'all see this? My fingers go right through it, y'all. Like, I'm not joking. I have not had this good of hair in my entire life. Like, my entire life. This is like the best hair I have ever ran into. I'm telling you, bro, I don't have to worry about this hair. I'm gonna take really good care of this hair because I want to keep it as long as I can. Like, she have all types of different colors. I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get her to make me a blonde bob wig one day, or maybe just add color to this one. I may add some layers here after a while. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it, so I don't want to cut into it because it looks good the way it is. Like, it's no shedding, there's no smell with this hair, no smell at all. No shedding at all. Like, I have not had any shedding with the frontal or the bundles. No shedding at all, y'all. No tangling, no nothing. I mean, whatever you could possibly want from hair, this is it. Like, this is the spot you need to go to. She's located in Baton Rouge, so if you want to pick it up, you can. I ordered mine over the phone maybe, I don't know, sometime last week, and I got it like in 3 days. So I didn't have to wait long at all. She also bleached my knots for me too. Like, she is cool. Like, she is just amazing. So right here, Right here you can see her information to contact her. Yeah, like I said, you can either get the bundles, get a sew-in, a quick weave, whatever you want to do, or you can also get her to make you a wig, because she is really good at making a wig. I just felt like making a wig. Hair is amazing, y'all. I love this hair. I'm not getting hair from anywhere else. I'm not getting hair from anywhere else, no time soon, honey. I'm getting hair straight from her.